3 years at Duke at-Tahta village near the city of Jericho in the northern part of the occupied West Bank has been subjected to continuous attacks by the Israeli occupation forces, including home demolition with a view to empty the area of its indigenous people in favor of the Israeli colonial settlements. The village is located to the west of Jericho city. Its population is estimated at 1,300 people, most of whom depend on agriculture. The Israeli occupation authorities demolished 8 houses under construction in the village belonging to Palestinian farmers. The Israeli occupation bans urban expansion of the village and the whole area within the framework of the Israeli policy of removing the Palestinian communities and replacing them with Jewish colonizers coming from the West and different parts of the world. The Israeli occupation demolished more than 15 houses over the past 3 years in the village, including 6 just this month. Such colonial policy by Israel is aimed to end the existence of the Palestinian farmers in the area and to destroy the Palestinian agricultural sector in Jericho and the whole Jordan Valley area. This area, which has been targeted by the Israeli occupation government for years in order to prevent any expansion of the Palestinian agricultural area and to end the dream of the Palestinian people of having their state on the land occupied in 1967, which includes all of the West Bank, East Jerusalem, and the Gaza Strip.